See, she don't fuck with you cause she don't fuck with bitch niggas, and you know it ain't a hidden love.
Scanny in his best there.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy LV Skinny.
It's your boy, young motherfucking 2-liter with Miss Water Bottle in this bitch, man.
Yeah.
And you got cows.
Yeah. I know. Yeah, we got cows in this bitch.
Because I was holding up the water bottle.
But today, we is here to check out Lil Yachty and Father. The song name is Dreamboat Freestyle. I fuck with that nigga Lil Yachty.
Yeah,
that's why I fuck
killing
with him.
shit.
When I first heard of him, I ain't gonna flex. I didn't fuck with him. That shit just annoyed me.
Yeah, we on the same boat, babe.
And then he grew.
Lil Bo. But still, Lil Bo hot. Like
no, it took time for him to grow on me type shit. It wasn't on no on some old head hating nigga shit, some Joe Budden shit.
True.
It was just on some I'm not really fucking.
Yeah, this ain't for me.
Yeah.
But one thing I say. One of the first tracks I heard from was that Minnesota shit. That call that man. I hated that shit. That shit was so stupid.
I swear.
But one thing I can say about Yachty is he has so much different music. Like he has songs way different than that. Damn, I don't know. He made a lot of different music.
And other than that, he really for the teens type shit.
Yeah.
I know when niggas be like, oh, you got it for the... dude, that nigga really could be for the kids type shit. Swear.
Definitely.
Niggas look up to that nigga.
This nigga opened his own damn pizzeria. I forgot where it is, but Yachty's Pizza, he got his own pizza place. I bet that nigga is making
cake.
Hell yeah.
Cake.
But yeah, we about to check out his song with Father.
Hold on, before you started, don't he go by 3 different names?
He do. Lil Yachty, Lil Boat, RD.
You remember how Ron was telling us about...
Oh yeah.
Is the different style of his music.
The different personalities of his music. Yeah,
definitely. He was doing that on his
some shit.
Yeah, like every single different name is a different personality.
Different wave,
that's just kind of smart.
Yachty dope.
Genius.
For real.
Yeah.
Multi-cannon.
It's Lil Bo. What's up, Father?
You should make me feel like jumping in the pool.
This made me feel like going to elementary school.
We just got it lit like a candle. And I'm always one toe in, one toe out like sandals. And I'm by my Green Bay like that nigga Randall. And I'm mad rare like a purple Lambo.
That's hot.
Sheesh, I feel like Rambo, goddamn Daniel. I get paid daily, what niggas get paid annual. And I'm still on the rise like a college player. She sucked more blood than a whole vampire layer. Running shit just like the mayor. Fuck your clique, fuck every nigga you brought here. My neck is sick, got me flexing like I'm Flair. Woo! But if I did, nigga, she be here.
So fake as fuck on Photoshop. Baby slobbing on her throat. Kelly glasses to East Coast. Grab your ass and eat it up. Grab your next and beat him up. Run his pockets, count it up.
This nigga said he gonna grab the ass and eat it up. So I'm feeling this nigga just all the in that joint.
So fake as fuck on Photoshop. Baby slobbing on her throat. Kelly glasses to East Coast. Grab your ass and eat it up. Grab your next and beat him up. Run his pockets, count it up. Roll up Doja on her butt. Girl, don't get too caught up on a nigga like me, yeah. Or a nigga like Bo, ayy. Girl, look at this cold, yeah. It ain't even that cold, no. Middle of the summer, and some ice and some furs. Bitches no father, I ain't never been curved. Still got the Motorola, yeah. Keep good dope on me, yeah. I don't fuck with these phonies, no. Stop calling me homie, ho. Spanish girls like Tay Amo. You got
Have you ever heard of Father before?
I was trying to think where I've heard of him. I honestly have. He blew up. I feel like he blew up with McConaughey.
It's not even on no hating shit. I'm not saying that it's bad. It's just his voice is so different. You feel me? That shit just different.
And I've heard him rap like that before in his other songs too. So it ain't like he just like that on this song. That's it. That's his type.
Yeah, that shit different.
Yeah.
Like Black Rambo.
You feel me?
I know. Cleaned up my act, yo. Still love that act, though. Still a fucking asshole. Fucker in her asshole. Valentino chain on
the nigga is fucking with the butt.
Yeah, he do
like that butt.
Like, don't change on me.
Feel like a damn don't know, some Game Boy game or something like
Rugrats intro.
Yeah, something like I'm out picking apples out trees or something. This was my Animal Crossing or something.
Nigga, when the backyardigans come together and start singing and shit. Hey, let's get a breakdown. Hold on. Slow it down. The Jack in the Box is playing still. That shit's slowing down, Shirley, but you know what I'm saying? Slowly, you know what I'm saying? And then, you know, and that's when the box closed.
Yeah. That was hot.
Yeah, it was. Dreamboat Freestyle.
Yeah.
And that nigga Bo was killing it.
Yeah, that was motherfucking Lil Yachty and Father. The song name was Dreamboat Freestyle. Yeah, like we said, the shit was hot. And like we said, we fuck with Yachty. Well, actually, I fuck with Yachty. I ain't gonna talk for everybody else. I fuck with Yachty hard as hell.
No, I fuck with him.
Yeah, I fuck with Yachty.
It took time, but you know, he's here. He grew.
True. He definitely has grown, like, in different ways. This ain't on damn Sprite commercials and shit, like
hard.
Real nigga shit.
He's making a killing.
For real. So yeah, shout out to Yachty and Father. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that. Till next time, YouTube.
We out this bitch, man.
Man, I'm in your bitch and then I'm out, gone. All I need is 5 minutes in or out her mouth. If she talking crazy, nigga, I just kick her out. This a one where I'm bout, bet I knock her pussy out.